The rich banker. Guru Nanak was the founder of the Sikh religion. He was born in Punjab, which means land of the five rivers. He travelled from one place to another, teaching the people who gathered to meet him. In the city of Lahore, there lived a wealthy banker named Duni Chand. He lived in a beautiful house filled with many valuable things. But throughout the city, he was known for his greed and dishonesty. One day, Guru Nanak arrived in Lahore. A large crowd gathered to meet the respected teacher. Duni Chand heard of Guru Nanak's arrival and rushed to the meeting. He invited the teacher to a feast and Guru Nanak accepted the invitation. Duni Chand went home and started the preparation for the feast. He invited the richest and most powerful men of the city. He asked the helpers to cook the best of foods and serve it on gold and silver plates. When the guests sat down to have the meal, they all agreed it was magnificent. When everyone had finished eating, Duni Chand turned to Guru Nanak and said, "As you can see, I am a wealthy man. If there is anything I can do for you, please tell me." Guru Nanak looked around the grand house at the marble walls, the rich carpets, the expensive furniture, the finely dressed guests. He then felt in his pocket and took out a packet which contained some needles. Picking out the smallest needle, he replied, "There is something you can do for me. Keep this needle safely and give it back to me when we meet in the next world." With these words, the Guru left. Duni Chand felt very important. The Guru had entrusted him with such a special task. He showed the needle to his wife and repeated what the Guru had told him. To his amazement, she burst out laughing. She said, "Oh, my poor husband, go back to Guru Nanak and ask him how you can take it to heaven with you." Duni Chand was confused and he hurried after the Guru. "Guru Nanak ji," he called, "please tell me one thing before you leave. How can I take this needle with me when I die?" Guru Nanak looked at Duni Chand kindly and said, "If you cannot take a tiny needle with you when you die, how are you going to take all your riches? When you go to the next world, you will only be remembered for the good deeds you have done in this world." Duni Chand thought about Guru Nanak's words and understood the truth in them. He felt ashamed of his greedy and dishonest ways. From that day, he and his wife used their wealth to help the poor.